how you can download Elementor Pro for free. So Elementor is most advanced website drag and drop page builder. It has free and pro version. Elementor Pro version can cost you around 3,000 to 12,000 Indian rupees. But now you can download Elementor Pro for free. Just watch our video till end. So you can design post, portfolio, slide, forms, price tables, navigation menus, countdowns, animated headlines, price list, flip box, call to action buttons and much more with Elementor Pro. You just have to click the link given below in description and you will be redirected to this page. Now you have to download this Elementor Pro package version 2.9.2 from here. Just hit the button and your downloading will be started. As you can see, our downloading is started here. We will wait for a minute. As you can see, our file is downloaded. Now we have to extract this file. And our files are extracted here. Make sure you don't extract this file, don't unzip this file. And next thing we have to do is go to our WordPress dashboard and hit on the plugins button. Click on add new plugin and hit on upload plugin. Choose Elementor free version 2.9.7 first and install it. And click on return to plugin installer. Hit on upload plugin button and choose the another file Elementor Pro version 2.9.2 and hit install now. Once you install both versions, click on install plugins button and select these both plugins and hit on activate button. Here you can see our plugins are activated successfully and you are no longer free version user. If you like our video, please leave comments, like and share with your friends. Thank you.